walk here. This is a neighbor's house. This is the entrance. Okay, entrance. As soon as you enter, there is a little foyer like thing, and then you face the whole hall. This is the left portion of it. Then this is the right side. The kitchen is there, and the utility. So it's one provision. Come out, and then here, this is the master room, master bedroom. The toilet. And this is where a wash basin will be there. Small wash basin space. When you come out to the other side, there are two rooms. Bathroom attached. This is another room with a common loo. This is a storage space we need to keep for maybe stocking towels and things. Come out again into the hall and exit. This is your exit. One final view of the hall. This is how it is when you come out. Currently wading through water. This is a 2-bedroom house.